Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your profile background on Snapchat. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Snapchat is a messaging app that lets you send image, videos, or instant text message to your friend. These image, videos, and message are only available for a short period of time once they are opened. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create Snapchat account, how to manage your profile. But now, what if you want to change your profile background on Snapchat? It's very simple. First of all, look for we have to open our Snapchat. From here, you can go to your profile by tapping on the up left corner here. Now here's your profile background, as you can see. Now if you want to change your profile background, you can just do like this. Select on the photo icon on the top of your screen profile. Now here's for the background. You can choose you have 3 free background from Snapchat that you can use as your background on your profile. For example, I will change to this one. And also you can change your pose, your avatar pose. Be like this. It's so cool, right? So here's where you can change your backgrounds, your pose on your Snapchat profile. You can also share your profile. Before that, don't forget to save it. You can tap on the up right corner here. So now here's your new profile background with new post. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your profile background on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.